In a world where screen fatigue is common and meaningful play is rare, a new form of chess learning has emerged, one that unites tradition with innovation. Sense Robot offers a transformative way to learn, play, and connect through chess, complete with a robotic arm that makes every move tangible. With 25 adjustable AI levels mimicking real-life ELO ratings, you'll always have the right level of challenge across the board. Beyond the game, Sense Robot teaches. Dive into 14 introductory and 11 beginner courses that break down piece movement, rules, and opening strategies in an intuitive step-by-step format. Its built-in camera captures your moves, analyzes your gameplay in real time, and provides over 1,200 strategy exercises. If you make an error, the AI doesn't scold you. It plays through the consequences, helping you learn by doing. More than just smart hardware, Sense Robot becomes a memory vault, tracking your growth and even replaying past games. Not every grinder fits a fast-paced, space-conscious lifestyle, but this one does. The XY Bottle Electric Coffee Grinder redefines portability with a form factor that echoes elegance and utility. Standing 10.8 inches tall and only 2.7 inches in diameter, it's shaped like a slim wine bottle, effortlessly fitting into travel kits, kitchen drawers, or countertop corners. But its compact silhouette isn't just for looks. Equipped with a 200-watt high-torque motor, this grinder transforms whole beans into aromatic grounds in a matter of seconds. With a 25-gram capacity, it handles a single bruise worth with precision, maintaining consistent texture across various grind levels. Its minimalist design hides serious performance, offering cafe-quality results without bulk or noise. Whether you're waking up in a tent or rushing through a Monday morning, it's the kind of tool that moves with you. When ordinary projections fall flat, this innovative 3D projector transforms your space into something alive. Designed for everyday settings, it pushes beyond the boundaries of traditional displays with immersive, glasses-free 3D. It's not just a projector, it's a portal. Featuring over 50 dynamic 3D themes, it shifts effortlessly between forest serenity, ocean depth, galactic vistas, and vibrant festivals. Whether you're setting the tone for a gathering, winding down for sleep, or diving into a meditative moment, it adapts to your mood and surroundings. Its 4K resolution and high-saturation lens technology bring out bold, lifelike colors that are deeply engaging. Paired with synchronized audio-visual cues, it amplifies immersion to an entirely new level. A 180-degree rotatable head and wide projection range optimize spatial coverage, allowing placement in any room while maximizing impact. In the heart of modern kitchens, efficiency meets cleanliness with the revolutionary Capsule Solo 2.0, a compact powerhouse that redefines dishwashing. Designed for those with limited space but zero compromise on hygiene, this unit delivers powerful cleaning while fitting right into your lifestyle. Unlike scrubbing with a bacteria-laden sponge or soaking dishes in lukewarm water, Capsule Solo 2.0 heats water to a sterilizing 167 degrees Fahrenheit, destroying germs far beyond the limits of what human hands can endure. Boasting the title of the world's smallest and fastest dishwasher, it completes a full wash and dry cycle in just 15 minutes. No plumbing required, simply plug it in, load it up, and press start. Perfect for apartments, dorms, campers, or any minimalist kitchen, Capsule Solo 2.0 handles even full-size cookware with ease. Sculpt your strength without the boundaries of a gym. The Unitree Pump Max brings studio-level resistance training into your living room, your backyard, or wherever your day takes you. No bulky racks or dumbbells, just smart engineering packed into a sleek, portable device weighing under 2.4 pounds. The Pump Max features a built-in motor that adjusts resistance up to 44 pounds with precision, offering concentric and eccentric control so every rep counts. Anchor it to doors, furniture, or even your foot. It adapts to your environment effortlessly. This isn't just resistance training, it's intelligent fitness. The companion app tracks your performance in real time and offers over 100 free, professional video tutorials that guide you through workouts for every major muscle group. Whether you're building muscle, improving mobility, or rehabbing with low-impact movements, Unitree Pump Max gives you total control with just a tap. Not all grooming tools are built with this much purpose packed into such a small frame. This multifunctional mini mobile phone shaver redefines convenience with a truly compact, battery-free design. Crafted to run directly from your smartphone or mobile power bank, it's engineered for real-life mobility. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply tidying up before a meeting. Built with titanium alloy blades, this mini shaver delivers a close, skin-friendly shave without irritation. The high-precision cutter head is efficient yet gentle, making it ideal for touch-ups on the go. Its magnetic structure design allows for quick disassembly and easy cleaning, while the sleek aluminum alloy body fits neatly in a pocket or desk drawer. Weighing less than 2 ounces and measuring under 2 inches in height, it's the ultimate portable grooming companion. Built for the bold, Sharks is the micro-knife engineered for those who value precision and resilience in every detail. This isn't a gimmick or a novelty. Sharks is a professional-grade cutting tool shrunk down to a mere 2 inches, ready to punch far above its weight. With a body forged from grade 5 titanium, it resists fire, water, and physical punishment with ease. This is the same alloy trusted in aerospace, now in your pocket. At the core of Sharks is its blade, a proprietary fusion of 90% tungsten carbide blended with other secret elements, resulting in a cutting edge that stays razor sharp and impact tough far longer than typical steel alternatives. From slicing paracord to precision packaging cuts, this micro blade handles real-world challenges without flinching. Its compact profile clips onto your zipper, hangs on your keyring, or nestles discreetly in your wallet. Designed with purpose and built for control, the Vault 2.0 reshapes how you manage your everyday carry. Inspired by the logic of folders and the simplicity of book pages, this modular system redefines functional organization with precision and intent. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or working from multiple locations, Vault 2.0 adapts to your gear and your rhythm. Each size, Mini Light, Flex Pro, and Max Haul, caters to specific carry needs, ensuring your essentials are always where they need to be. From tech tools and cables to field gear and stationery, everything has a defined home. The removable flex panels are the heart of this system, turning static storage into a dynamic setup you can modify on the fly. What sets Vault 2.0 apart is the independence of each storage board. In today's fast-moving world, simplicity and calm are more valuable than ever. That's where ZenFlow steps in, redefining how we experience aromatherapy with a sleek, waterless diffuser designed to harmonize with your pace, your space, and your lifestyle. Whether you're working late in a home office or unwinding in a cozy corner, ZenFlow turns everyday moments into peaceful retreats. ZenFlow isn't just a diffuser, it's intentional living. Built to be durable and sustainable, it delivers long-lasting fragrance without constant refills or upkeep. Forget spills, water tanks, or clunky cords. Step into a new dimension of atmosphere and creativity with the Kino, a striking retro-modern effects projector that brings the magic of analog light shows into the heart of your home. Inspired by the vibrant energy of the 70s but built with today's sustainable materials and LED technology, the Kino is your gateway to swirling visuals, dynamic color shifts, and pure creative freedom. Designed by OptiKinetics in celebration of their 50th anniversary, the Kino blends vintage charm with modern craftsmanship. In a world constantly in motion where time never stands still, the HoverPen Traverse becomes more than just a writing instrument. It's a reminder of the continuous flow of ideas. Inspired by the universe's helical motion, its sleek, smooth design reflects the harmony of forward momentum. Crafted for the dynamic individual, the Traverse is built for those who move fast and think faster. Its ultra-light 35-gram body makes it a perfect companion for life on the go. Lighter than a pair of AirPods with their charging case. Whether you're jotting down a fleeting thought or simply admiring the mesmerizing spin, it's always ready when you are. With the cap doubling as a magnetic suspension platform, the HoverPen Traverse spins effortlessly for up to 15 seconds. Introducing the UMind Mirror, a breakthrough in wearable health tech. This smart health tracking device stands out as the world's smallest BCI, designed to revolutionize how you track your brain activity. Weighing just 5.2 grams, the UMind Mirror is powered by our self-developed chip and measures brain waves to enhance focused performance and optimize your sleep patterns. With an SDK included, it allows for the creation of innovative apps, further expanding its potential. Unlike bulky smartwatches or uncomfortable headband devices, the UMind Mirror offers a lightweight, user-friendly experience, eliminating the need for constant recharging. It provides a continuous stream of health data without the usual discomfort. The device utilizes advanced AIEEG analysis to interpret brainwave patterns, extracting valuable insights that assist with self-regulation and mental clarity. For those seeking a unique blend of comfort and functionality, the Lounge Workspace is the perfect office chair for home environments. Designed to support extended hours of work, this chair offers flexibility that traditional office chairs cannot. Whether you need to stay alert or take a break, the Lounge Workspace provides two adjustable recline options: semi-reclined and fully reclined. The semi-reclined position, which tilts the backrest to a comfortable 120 to 135 degrees, strikes the perfect balance for productivity. It allows you to stay focused while keeping your posture aligned and free from strain. When relaxation is needed, the fully reclined position, adjustable between 150 to 180 degrees, allows users to unwind fully. Ideal for short breaks or quick naps, it offers complete comfort and support. The ChargeUni wireless fast charger is an innovative solution for powering multiple devices simultaneously. Designed with convenience in mind, this charger allows you to charge up to 3 devices at once, making it ideal for households or offices with various smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds. Its Qi 2 compatibility ensures a fast and efficient charging experience for both Apple and Samsung devices, supporting a wide range of models. The built-in voice control light adds a unique touch, allowing users to adjust the charging station's lighting with simple voice commands for a more personalized experience. Additionally, the integrated time display keeps you on track without needing to check your phone, making it a functional addition to any desk or nightstand. For outdoor enthusiasts, comfort on the trail is paramount. After a long day of adventure, the last thing you want is to lose sleep on an uncomfortable setup. Unfortunately, many camping solutions often come with trade-offs in either weight or comfort, leaving backpackers with a frustrating dilemma. The Haven Spectre changes that. It offers a sleep experience that balances comfort with weight savings, giving backpackers a lightweight yet cozy option. Designed to offer a restful night under the stars, it combines the support of a mattress with the versatility of a hammock. Unlike traditional setups, Spectre allows you to sleep comfortably in any position, on your back, side, or stomach, without compromising on your rest. Weighing in at under 4.5 pounds and with a compact, Spectre fits seamlessly into any pack. For unpredictable weather, the detachable Rainfly offers added protection, and the durable structure supports up to 285 pounds. The Canva 16 Gen 3 redefines the digital art experience with its cutting-edge features, providing artists with a tool that blends high performance with user-centric design. Equipped with a 15.8-inch display and 2.5K QHD resolution, this tablet ensures crisp, detailed images with a 186 ppi pixel density, making it ideal for fine lines and intricate designs. Accuracy is paramount, and the Canva 16 excels with an impressive color gamut covering 99% of sRGB and Rec. .709 alongside 90% of Adobe RGB. Pentec 4.0 offers unmatched responsiveness, featuring 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, a 2-gram initial activation force, and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt support. The combination of a smaller nib and tilt auto alignment minimizes parallax, enhancing precision. Experience a whole new level of flying with the DJI Avata 2, where the sky is no longer the limit. This advanced drone offers an immersive experience, letting you feel as though you're in the cockpit, with real-time visual feedback directly through your goggles. The thrill of flight is paired with the freedom of effortless control. No need for complex buttons, simply move your hand to guide the drone, providing a seamless and intuitive experience that even beginners will enjoy. The DJI Avata 2 is designed to be compatible with a variety of DJI goggles and controllers, including the DJI Goggles 3, DJI RC Motion 2, and DJI FPV remote controllers. This extensive compatibility ensures an easy setup for your personal flying experience. For those eager to show off their skills, the drone allows you to perform gravity-defying maneuvers such as flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts, all without extensive practice. It's easy to master the basics and push your limits to new heights. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus redefines home cleaning with its seamless blend of advanced features, offering a sophisticated solution for effortless floor maintenance. With a self-emptying station and a large 2.5-liter dust bag, this robot vacuum ensures up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, allowing for a consistently pristine home with minimal intervention. Its 5,500 Pascal suction power, paired with dual rubber brushes, tackles stubborn dirt and pet hair with ease. This combination ensures that even the most challenging messes are thoroughly removed, leaving your floors spotless. Customizable suction modes via the Roborock app let you adjust settings based on your specific cleaning needs. Precise Sense LiDAR. Navigation enhances cleaning efficiency, enabling precise mapping of your space. Features like quick mapping, 3D mapping, and multi-level mapping ensure that the vacuum creates the most effective cleaning route for your home. The Gourmia Digital Display 5-quart large air fryer offers a convenient and efficient way to cook with its 12 one-touch cooking presets, making meal preparation simple. This air fryer is designed to cater to a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables, all while using less oil. Its 5-quart capacity is perfect for cooking family-sized meals or preparing snacks for gatherings. Powered by a 1,500-watt heating element, this Gourmia ensures fast and even cooking, allowing you to enjoy your food in less time without compromising on quality. The air fryer's multifunctionality enables you to fry, bake, grill, and roast, providing versatility for a wide range of recipes. The sleek black and stainless steel accents not only add an elegant touch to your kitchen, but are also built to withstand everyday use. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer Series 7000 is the ultimate grooming companion for those seeking versatility and precision. This all-in-one 23-piece kit is engineered to handle various hair types, offering the flexibility to trim your beard, head, body, and face effortlessly.